Welcome to MyBiz app. It is time to let your employee work from anywhere. From the dashboard, you can see the staff performance. From here, we see the staff movement and then clock in, clock out. Wow, good performance. More than 15 hours. We only asked for 8 hours and he do more than 15 hours. As we go to the attendant, staff movement. From there, we can see what he doing. So we select the staff name, select the date of what we see just now, and then the same date to clock in 10 a.m. and then we by half an hour we could scroll out and see 3 hours at the same location. Okay, now have a staff movement already. You can see there's 2 more points showing on top. Let's we zoom out and see staff movement from 1:30. Then we check back again. Here, check again. Where he do and what he do. Half an hour we check. Hide the details. You can see the points showing. Okay, where the staff movement by half an hour. So you can see by 4 o'clock in the location already. Showing, yeah, that is what we want. We want him staying there for 4 hours, 3 hours. 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, still going out to do his job. Nine o'clock, still on site. 10 p.m. also on site. Zoom in and see where he is. He is still in the site area. Work until 11 p.m. still on site area. Very good. He's working from 10 a.m. until 11, more than 12 hours. Very good stuff, right? Duration 15 hours due to the battery usage is running or not. Again, we need to check on the app's permissions. Locations, make sure it's on and storage is on. Again, remind, make sure the battery managed automatically is off and then managed manually. These are 3 must be on. Make sure it's on. Then we go on the battery usage. If they say showing stop, means that it's not captured or you're not logged in. So you make sure log in again. As we see another day, start work on 4 p.m. So same thing, select the staff name, select the date. From 4 p.m. we will go, this is 10 p.m. so we reduce to become 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. This is digital workshop. Work from everywhere should be a reality already right now. 7 p.m. 8 p.m. you can see the locations keep on. So we zoom in the home. 8:30 reach home already, you can see. 9:30 still the same, but he's need to clock out. That's why the duration showing 15 hours or 22 hours. 4 p.m. to 8:30. Just work 4.5 hours. Just get started for 14 days free trial. only 1 ringgit per user per day.